To get started with Blueprint in Onshape, sign into your Onshape account. If you do not have an account, ask your teacher about creating one or go to onshape.com and select Create a Student Account. Once you have verified your account, you can then sign in to get started. There are two ways to find the Sphero Blueprint Parts document. Go to edu.sphero.com to access Sphero Central. Click on Blueprint, then Resources to locate the Blueprint CAD Guide. The CAD Guide provides links, tips, and other resources to use CAD with your Sphero Blueprint kit. You can scroll down to the Onshape section and choose the Onshape document link. From here, you can make a copy of this workspace so that you can edit it. Click the Make a Copy to Edit button. Now, name your part document, then choose where you want to save it and click the Open button. You can also access the Sphero Blueprint Parts document directly in Onshape. Log into your Onshape account. On the left navigation bar, select Public. Now search Sphero Blueprint Parts. Select the document owned by Sphero EDU. Click Make a Copy to edit. Name your document, select where you would like to save it, and click the Open button. Once the document is created in your own workspace, you will be able to edit any of the parts, create assemblies, and create your own custom parts based on the 3D printable starter part. At the bottom, click on the Home tab and you will see all the folders for the different types of parts that are contained within the document. If you go under Miscellaneous Hardware and the 3D printable starter accessory part, now you'll be able to create your own custom parts from this starter part. This starter part has all of the math done for you to keep you on the 25mm pitch. You can easily change the number of pitches in both the X and Z axes here simply by changing the two variables that are in the design tree. In the following videos, you will learn how to create assemblies and constrain those assemblies to work as they would in real life. Check out the next video, Creating Assemblies and Inserting Parts, to learn more about creating blueprint assemblies in Onshape.